Let us take one question related to Bernoulli's principle in fluid dynamics, where you will use the application of integration. When you consider a container or tank filled with a water up to some height h, if you make some hole, then the liquid will come out. Then the time taken to reduce the level from one level to another level is equal to A by A root 2 by G root H1 minus root H2, where H1 is initial level, H2 is final level. This is the equation. See, if you want to derive this one, you can derive in this manner, where capital A is area of cross section of the container, tank. Then at any instant, if you consider the height of the liquid y, then the volume efflux is minus A dy by dt, because the y value keep on decreasing, that's why minus, and that value decreasing means this volume decreasing and the same amount of volume will coming out. What is the volume efflux through the hole? That is A under root 2gy. So because the hole made at a depth of y, so what is the speed? Under root 2gy. Then if you bring this y this side, y power minus 1 by 2 dy equal to A by capital A equal to root 2g dt, or let it be this A this side only, minus A by A, and bring this, let it be root 2g this side. So root y I brought this side, so root y means y power 1 by 2. If I take it to numerator, y power minus 1 by 2. Now minus A by A, integration if you apply both sides, it will become y power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. Now what are the limits? The level was h1, then it reduced to h2. So h1 to h2 equal to root 2g t, time t. Now here I am writing, so minus A by A, 2 will go up, so 2 into, so y power 1 by 2 means root y, so root h2 minus root h1 equal to root 2g into t, so t equal to minus, if you multiply inside, A by A 2 root h1 minus root h2 by here root 2g, so 2 by root 2 is root 2, so root of 2 by g into root h1 minus root h2. To empty the tank, h2 will become what? 0. Finally there is no water. So under root 2h by g, that depends. So that here in the given question the initial level was 16h, now it should reduce to 4h, and the area of cross section of the tank is 64a, area of the hole is a, so that here if you substitute, this is 64 A by A, 64 under root 2 by G, this is root 16h, 4 root h minus root 4h, 2 root h equal to 2 root h. So 2 into 64, 128 root 2h by G. So this is the way you can find the time taken to reduce the level in a container and tank from one level H1 to another level H2 because of the hole made at the bottom or at any side wall. So that you can understand using the concept of Bernoulli's principle, using the concept of equation of continuity with the help of integration. Thank you.